This is a brand new 2013 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: cruise control, a rear window defroster, latch-ready child seat anchors, an electronic throttle, a chrome grille, tinted glass, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, stability control, a remote entry system, and air conditioning. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, more money will stay in your pocket rather than pour into the fuel tank. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.